I hate when I put so much time and effort into an amazing web page, landing page, marketing page, blog post, you name it, and just to not get any results, right? And something new I realized I was not doing correctly was I wasn't getting my pages indexed by Google. So this is why I'm in Google Search Console. In one of my previous videos, I did talk about indexing your pages, but it was a bit fast. So I just want to quickly show you how I'm indexing a new page that I just created for Gem Social. So we have alternative pages that we're rolling out. We also have marketing pages that we're rolling out. And now we have two dope new features rolling out for creators and brands: media kits and an opportunities board. So as you can see, I created a features page for creators so that way they can see what the benefits are of being on Gem Social. And it's already published, but I need to go index it. So I'm just going to quickly show y'all. When you log into Google Search Console, you could just go to the search bar where it says inspect any URL in gem.social. So we're going to inspect this new one that I created. It's going to try to retrieve data. There's nothing to be retrieved because it hasn't been indexed. And right here, we're just going to click request indexing. It's really simple. It can be a tedious task if you just created like 20 pages, but you can also get Claude to do this for you as well. And I'll show you that on the next episode, but you can get Claude to actually go in here and do all this for you. I had Claude actually remove pages that were not relevant to Gem Social. So as you can see, the request is now submitted. So it'll take a few days, maybe a week to index it. They need to actually crawl the whole entire page, but I'm going to be doing this for the rest of my pages. And like mentioned, I can get Claude to do this for me. I'll show you in a different episode how to go about this, but I could literally upload a CSV file of all of my new links, and Claude can go and do this for me while I go buy my groceries. So the question is, what pages do you need to index, and when are you going to start indexing them? Because we would hate for you to be working so hard on these pages and Google's not even recognizing it. Anyways, so now that we have officially finished indexing our new pages, my question to you is, what pages have you worked hard on and you never submitted to Google to index? Because you should start thinking about that right now. What pages are valuable that you haven't submitted to Google to be indexed? Stop working hard on these pages, y'all, and not submitting them. It's almost like you worked on homework and didn't submit your work and now you got a bad grade. That's essentially what happened to me for so long. So don't be like me. As you guys know, I'm making these tutorials or just honestly sharing some of my working sessions because I'm showing past mess ups. And I'm also showing future accomplishments early by giving you guys insight while I'm building in public. So stay tuned for the next episode. Don't know what I'm gonna cover yet, but as I continue working, I'll continue filming.